Messenger desktop app is no longer a viable problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, if you are a Messenger desktop user, then you might have seen a notification saying that the Messenger desktop app is no longer available. So recently, Meta, also known as Facebook, has discontinued the standalone Messenger desktop app for both Windows and Mac, and they haven't given a detailed official explanation about it. But the main way to use Messenger on your desktop now is through a web browser. So, how can you keep using Messenger on your computer or laptop? It's easy. So, here, with that being said, let's move forward to the solution. So, first is that you can simply open your preferred web browser. And now here, once you're inside the web browser, then what you can do is simply click on the search bar and simply type www.messenger.com and simply search for it. And now here, once you are inside here, you can simply log in with your Facebook email, phone number, and password, and you can continue chatting just like before right from your browser. Now, with that, another option is to go to another website, that is Facebook. So here you can simply type www.facebook.com and simply search for it. And now here, once you search for it, you'll be prompted to the Facebook page. Now here you can again log in with your Facebook account and then click on the Messenger tab inside the Facebook. And from there, you can use Messenger directly without using the desktop version. And that's it. Even though the standalone app is gone, these two methods will let you to keep using Messenger on your desktop seamlessly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.